empty platform in a forgotten town. All the clocks have broken down. A whisper calls you through the night, like a fading echo of distant lights. The lanterns shake in the silent air, like the world forgot its prayer. And far away, a golden sound calls your soul without a ground. They say, this train won't come back again. It carries the dreamers beyond the pain. Step aboard, don't turn around. The last train of stars is leaving now. Leave your fears and your regrets. There's another world you haven't met. Step aboard, don't wait for dawn. Miracles fade if you wait too long. If your heart still burns inside, it means you're ready for the ride. Hidden faces in the mist hold the dreams they once had missed. Every soul with a broken past, but all still hoping this will last. A child holds tight to a fragile flame. An old man whispers a silent name, and you stand there between two lives, feeling something new arise. No ticket needed, no way back, just the courage you might lack. Step aboard, don't turn around. The last train of stars is leaving now. Leave your fears and your regrets. There's another world you haven't met. Step aboard, don't wait for dawn. Miracles fade if you wait too long. If your heart still burns inside, it means you're ready for the ride. What if all you searched to find was just one step beyond your mind? What if the key to every door is the light you've been ignoring for? The train moves faster, time dissolves. Every doubt begins to fall, and in this journey through the night, you finally become your light. Stars are dancing on the rails, writing stories without fail. Every beat inside your chest leads you somewhere you belong best. Step aboard, this is your time. The world unfolds beyond the line. What felt impossible before is now the path you're living for. Step aboard, just look ahead. You're not alone in what you said. Your destiny is shining far on this train among the stars. The station fades into the night.